Hey gamers, are you tired of lag ruining your gaming experience? Let's dive into how to fix gaming lag once and for all. First up, make sure your PC meets the game system requirements. This is crucial for a smooth gameplay experience. Next, keep your graphics and system drivers up to date. This can significantly improve performance and reduce lag. Adjust your in-game settings. Lowering the graphics can help boost your FPS and reduce lag. Don't forget to close background applications. They can drain your system resources and cause lag. Whenever possible, use a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. This can offer better stability and speed. Adjust your Windows settings to optimize for gaming. Turn off unnecessary animations and background services. Keep an eye on your hardware temperature. Overheating can lead to performance drops and lag. Activate game mode in Windows. This helps prioritize gaming resources and can lead to smoother performance. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can ensure your gaming is smooth and lag-free. Happy gaming!